y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ria and this is According to Ria. So today is December 23rd, 2 more days until Christmas. It doesn't feel like Christmas, but anywho. So I did go to Walmart to get a couple of things. I'm kind of doing something different with my setup because I don't like having the white wall. So I did purchase some backdrop paper from Amazon. I'll link the products down below. I just feel like that white wall was just not hitting. And you know, it's really good quality. It's really long. I just have it kind of like taped up at the top and boom. I got a new ring light my mom got for me, and then I bought a little desk that I'm gonna put my stuff on while it's in front of me because I don't have a mirror right here. And then I bought a new tripod. So yeah, I'm gonna get some new lights eventually. This is the To Be in Style deep plunge convertible V bra. This is in the color beige and I got it in a 36C. The review said to order true to size, so we'll see. This is what it's supposed to look like, but you know, I'm not a little titty girl, so hopefully it fits. If not, then I'll send it back, I guess, but let's see. All right, so this first clip is obviously without it. As you can see, my boobs are just being boobs. It's not giving what it needs to give, you know? So then in the next clips, you can see that my boobs are lifted, and then there's also a clear halter neck strap, so that way you can wear tops like this and it still looks good. Overall, I think I would give it an 8 out of 10, and I will link it down below for you guys as well. Okay, so I'm currently bleaching the knots on my wig. I did the watercolor method and I think it came out pretty good. It's hard to tell right now because the wig is wet, but the blonde pieces are like slightly brighter, so it kind of creates like a nice little, you know, some dimension going on. But look at my cat. He's such a baby. This is where he wants to be curled up. He's so cute. He's such a sweet boy. Okay, so my wig just hit the 10-minute mark, so let me check and see if the knots are bleached. All right, y'all, so here is the wig. I have bleached the knots, and now I'm just letting the conditioner soak in. So while this is soaking in, I'm going to watch me some YouTube, and then we'll come back. All right, so I'm in my living room because my wig is in the dryer and it's like really loud. So the wig is completely done. It's styled, or not styled, it's colored, bleached, and plucked. So I have it on my wig head right now, and I'm letting it dry in my dryer. So let me show you. Our hair drying. It's actually almost dry. It's pretty short, so that makes sense. Okay, y'all, so hours later, the wig has been styled, the wig has been plucked. I have plucked this wig as much as I can pluck, and I feel like the hairline has not gotten any thinner. So yeah, so right now I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my ball cap. So my wall growth, this is the light one, I think. No, just kidding, it's not. All right, then I'm gonna take some Gorilla Snot. Pretty slick. I'm gonna leave it there. All right, so I did re-up on my favorite Juicy J Lace adhesive so I'm gonna use this to lay my wig cap and my wig. So I'm gonna do this off camera because your girl has no mirror right here, so I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and cut it off camera, and I used a razor. So now I'm gonna take my Even Lace Spray, and this is in the color light warm brown. I'm not putting this on my lace because my lace is already tinted. I'm just putting this on my wig cap. Okay, so when that dries, I'm gonna take some alcohol and a cotton pad and just get rid of the excess makeup, oils, whatever is on my hairline before I put this glue down. Okay, you guys, so here is the wig. As you can see, she's much darker. You can't really tell too well in the camera, but she's definitely burgundy. Some of the pieces that were blonde are now kind of purpley, which, I mean, it doesn't look bad. I just didn't want another blonde wig, so Okay, so then I'm gonna take my even and put it on the hairline as well, just for an extra melt. I'm gonna take my Juicy Dre melt band and go ahead and melt this lace before I cut off the excess. Wax stick, Juicy Dre, of course. Okay, so she's been on here for, I don't know, like 20-30 minutes. Let's see. Okay. Ugh. The plucking job. Not my best, but you know, she don't look bad, if I must say so myself. Lace is melted except for some pieces that were sticking up, but I don't want to go back in with glue, so I'm just gonna take my free spray. I'm gonna use this one instead of the other one because the other one gets ashy on me and I don't have the tan. Okay, and so I'm gonna spray this and then I'm gonna rewrap it. This point, here's what it is. Okay. Now, naturally, when I put on some makeup or something, it's gonna look good. So I want to add baby hairs. And I also don't. But she, I don't know. She's just looking real wiggy. I don't know. Let me see. Hold on. I've never done a dark bob, so I think my next one's gonna be black. Or I might just color this one black. I'm thinking about it low-key. All right, y'all. So I just finished my hair. I'm over it. She came out pretty cute though. Cute, little Babiana, you feel me? But yeah, so it is 3:04. I have to go to sleep because I gotta be up. I got an Uber. I got money to make. So I'm going to sleep. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.